Namaste.
Yeah, hello.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guess what? We're off to Austria. We just got off the train from Berlin and we're here in Munich. You know what that means. Time for an adventure. Let's get this trip started. We just arrived in Munich station. And the first thing on our minds? Food. Now Germany is famous for two things. Number one, and number two, beer. So where do we go? The iconic Hofbräuhaus. We grabbed a couple of beers and let me tell you, it was chef's kiss. Fast forward to early morning and guess what? We're late. Classic us. We took a taxi to the main station, trying to catch up, and we had this lovely taxi driver giving us some tips. Now listen to this.
Relax. But if you are young, it is not great risk. Not great risk. Or if you get older, you go quick to the doctor and have always doctor and here and meniscus and I don't know. Yes.
You're heading to Axemerlism, right? It's about 2.5 hours away from Munich, and it costs 78 euros. But guess what? That price includes the return trip too. Not bad for a round trip, right? All right, buckle up because we're on the bus now. And guys, the ride was actually pretty scenic. I mean, check this out. Snow-capped mountains, cozy little villages. Honestly, this is one of those moments where you just take a deep breath and soak it all in.
Shining like a beacon of bright stars. How is it alive?
Boom, we finally made it to Axemerlism. First things first, time to rent some gear. And let me tell you, it wasn't cheap. 90 euros for the full package. But hey, you can't put a price on the thrill of skiing or snowboarding, right? Now, we were feeling all kinds of excited. We went straight to the top of Axemerlism, thinking we're about to crush some skiing. But as soon as we saw that massive slope, let's just say we froze. Like, nope, not happening.
Bauer, gut rüber.
We head straight to the bar and grab a beer. 7 euros for a beer, and you know what? Totally worth it for the view. Fried snacks, Cinci Virgola opt euro. Not bad for mountain prices. All right, after our liquid courage, we decided to head back down and check out a beginner-friendly area. Time to start small and work our way up.
Acha.
And here I am, doing my first snowboarding attempt. Honestly, not gonna lie, it was a lot harder than it looked. But hey, I survived, and that's a win in my book. Who needs perfect form when you're having fun, right?
ये देखो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे आकाश शर्मा
We wrapped up the day with another beer, because why not, right? And took a long bus ride back. I passed out pretty much immediately. I mean, who wouldn't after all that action? All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride to Austria. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe for more fun travel vlogs. Catch you next time.